Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got this replacement 40-volt battery for my Ryobi lawnmower. I've had it for my lawnmower for a couple of years, and the battery's finally starting to die slow. My yard's a little big for it, so I wanted to find a replacement. So I did some research, and I found this replacement one. So I'm just doing a quick unboxing for you to show you. This is how it comes. Take it out. Give you a quick look around it. So you'll see it's a 40 volt. The one my lawnmower came with was a 5 volt or a 5 amp. This one's a 6 amp. So it should last a little longer for me. And just so you know, I checked it. So it comes about 75% charged. So typically any batteries you want to fully charge them up before you use it. So this one probably will take a couple hours to finish charging. So just be aware of that when you get it. But it looks very like almost exactly designed, shaped just like my Ryobi one. So it looks like it'll be a good fit. I'll do some follow-ups soon and let you know how well it works, how long it holds up, and things like that. But this is what you get.